I'm Brittany Umar for The Street. This is your midday market update. The Dow and the S&P are higher. Apple, however, dragging the Nasdaq lower on a trio of downgrades. Analysts not liking that the iPhone 5C is not as cheap as many had expected. One of the big headlines is Verizon launching a record-breaking $49 billion bond deal. I'm here with Antoine Guerra, reporter for The Street. Antoine, break down for us, what does this mean?
Well, the Verizon bond offering is about 3 times the size of the previous record, which was Apple earlier this year. And the order book for the bond was about double the $49 billion. The order book was about $90 billion. So there was huge demand for the bond. And Verizon issued these bonds at a premium to the market. So a trader, Peter Chur of TF Market Advisors, just emailed me and said, you know, this is going to be a huge bonanza for people who were able to get into the offering. And he said, this is why relationships matter in the bond market. Some total return hedge funds might see some good gains off these bonds. Also, I think it's interesting to note that these bonds are being offered because the company is acquiring the Verizon wireless stake that Vodafone held. And the reason it's doing that is really to take full ownership of the free cash flow from Verizon Wireless, which is the top wireless asset in the whole telecom sector. And that will actually allow Verizon to really shore up its ability to pay its high dividend. So on both sides of the equity and credit spectrum, you know, I think this is going to be a good yield play for investors, and it's probably going to help up a lot of long-term holders with their yield.
All right, thank you so much for shedding light on that, Antoine Guerra. That's your midday market update. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.